This is Arunachal. Today let us analyze the stock BHEL, Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited. This company was listed on 1999, and this company have seen a big bull run, and now it came down near to the price of listing, and now bouncing back to the upside. Now let us analyze the stock on technical basis. This is the monthly chart of the BHEL Limited. On listing, the stock as an hype, but after a small hype, it came below the listing price, and the stock is almost in their price range of 20 to 25 for more than 2 years. And once it started bull run, it made a multiple return for its investors. That's from 20 price range to the range of 340, which is almost 10 times higher price from the listing. And the stock after made such high move, it started distributing within the range. The distribution took place around 4 to 5 years, and after distribution is completed, the stock started falling very huge volatility, and it also shown a dead cat bounce here. After falling huge, it jumped a little, that's less than 50% of the fall, so this can be considered as a dead cat bounce. When the dead cat bounce happens, the stock will fall and it will bounce back, but it should not cross more than 50% of the fall. Once if we continued the same previous trend, so it's considered as a dead cat bounce. I have found a swing trade idea in the stock. Now let us discuss the swing trade idea. Look at the chart now. This is the falling wedge in the stock, and this can be considered as the major confluence area because the stock has shown its level of resistance and support in this region so many times, and this stock also has good fundamentals, so it's good to take trade at current market price. After COVID fall, the stock bounced back to a higher range. The stock is currently trading above the major confluence area, so one can take trade above the range of 69 or 70. It's good to take trade above 70 range. Now let me move to the weekly chart. In weekly chart, the stock is above the major confluence area, so it's good to trade in the stock, and one can take entry at current market price, and one can take the range of 102 105 as the first target for the stock. This target is very easily achievable in the stock because after the huge range of consolidation, it gave a breakout from the falling wedge, so it's very good to take trade. And also it shows a rising. It also shows a head and shoulder pattern, which is a most powerful pattern, and the powerful pattern's target is also achieved in the stock. So next move can be taken after a bit of consolidation. Now let me move to the daily chart to analyze the entry and target in the stock. One can take entry above the price range of 75, and target can be at 100 range, which is easily achievable, and the stock is also in good bull run since the PSUs are performing well nowadays, so we can take trade in the stock without any fear. 9900 range can be taken as the target for the stock, and the entry is at 75 range. The target is almost 30% upside from the current market price, and it's also easily achievable, so one can trade without any fear. So that's all for today. If you like the video, hit like button and hit subscribe button to get the instant notifications of the video once it published, and feel free to comment below your questions and queries, and thank you for watching our videos. Thank you.